For musicians, by musicians. The reason the Recording Connection is so effective is because we were built by musicians and we are for musicians. The people working at Recording Connection aren't stuffy CEO types in suits. We're musicians, we're producers, writers, managers, DJs who have spent all of our lives in and around music. We understand what it's like to be an artist. We know how hard it is to be different and to be pursuing dreams that aren't traditional. That's why we provide the amount of support and resources we do. We are an organization of people who understand the importance of music, and we're proud to facilitate new generations of music makers. Our team, our mentors, our entire staff, our academic facilitators, and our life coaches. We are all here to help you succeed.